Hi, welcome back to Emerald Hill Skies. This is a live stream of tonight's viewing of M51, the Whirlpool Galaxy. And we are looking at through this telescope, RASA 11, at this part of the sky, almost straight up, a little bit toward the north. In fact, here is a copy of our planetarium software. It's called Starry Night Pro Plus, and you can see that our telescope is right here, aimed at this square, these crosshairs right here, almost straight up. You can see the Big Dipper, the asterism, the Big Dipper here, and Ursa Major, the Great Bear, and the handle is making its way right here, and just down from the handle is where this object is located. Now, we happen to have the telescope aimed at this object right now, and we can go right here in the sky and see it. This is not a picture from a planetarium software. This is a live view, like I say, through this telescope, a RASA 11, and it's here on the outskirts of Louisville, Kentucky. There's a lot of light pollution. Astronomers call this a Bortle 6 sky. We are using a light pollution filter, but for the most part, this is really the way it looks through our telescope. Now you can see the main part of M51, which is interacting here with the galaxy next door. And the galaxy next door is called NGC5194. And as M51 passed in front of, from our perspective, this NGC5194, they kind of got in a tug of war, pulling back and forth on each other. And I think really both galaxies are suffering a bit for it. M51's arms, its beautiful spiral arms, have gotten pulled apart a little bit. And that's unfortunate because this is a beautiful galaxy. Let's zoom in a little bit more on this, and you can see some of those star-forming regions in these spiral arms. This entire galaxy, imagine being 35 million years that it took the light to reach us from this galaxy. The light that we're seeing right now, this very light that you're looking at, left M51 some 35 million years ago. Now, the Hubble has done a picture of this, and the Hubble's view is a little bit closer in than ours. Look at the small little blue stars that are being birthed in those spiral arms. And look at that powerful hub right in the middle, that amazing core that you see. It sure must be incredibly powerful. I don't know if there's a black hole at the center of this galaxy or not, but it sure looks like it's in a powerful tug of war with this galaxy next door, NGC5194. Now, we've been imaging this for about 15 minutes, but really we started seeing this galaxy in just the first couple of minutes of this approach called Electronically-assisted Astronomy, EAA. You can see a couple of hot pixels, they call it there. I'm going to have to shoot some new dark frames. I am using calibrated dark frames, subtracting some of the hot pixels away, but these are two that have gotten away from me, and we'll have to shoot new dark frames. Look how bright it is out here in this neighbor galaxy, the NGC5194. Imagine living on a planet orbiting around one of these stars and seeing these incredible galaxies just right next door to your planet. And imagine what that would be looking like. If you like content like this, would you please click subscribe? And if you want, maybe click the thumbs up. That'll get this content out in other people's streams and searches. And if you'd like to be notified when we do streams like this, just click that bell and you would be notified in YouTube. Thanks for being a part of this, and thank the Lord for making something so beautiful for us to look at tonight. Hope you have a good evening, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless. Good evening.